Hey y'all, thank you so much for tuning in again. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make my famous chili. You are going to first start off with 1 pound of ground beef. If you don't like ground beef, you can use ground chicken, ground turkey, Beyond Meat, whatever it is you eat. I use ground beef because I like the taste in the chili. So you're going to get that brown in the pot. Note my little ground beef masher that I got from Amazon. Shout out to Amazon, my favorite store. After that, I drained the meat and I sauteed green peppers and onions in that same pot. I added 1 small can of tomato paste and 1 can of chopped tomatoes with the juice. To that, I added 2 packets of chili seasoning right into that. And you're going to mix it all together and let everybody mingle and mix or whatever. It's going to be thick. That's okay. It's going to thin out. I promise you. I went ahead and added some beef bouillon. Now, you're really supposed to add 2 tablespoons, but you know what? I like to sprinkle till my ancestors say, stop. I added 2 packets of Szechuan to that and combined everything on medium-high heat and just let it all work together. It's okay if it's thick. It will thin out. After I let it cook, I added about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and let that cook. It should start to thin out now, but if it's still kind of thick, that's okay. Now I added my meat because this mixture, y'all, it helps the meat to be flavored. It's nothing worse than chili with meat with no flavor. So you mix all that together and it should still be pretty thick, but it should be well mixed. To that mixture, I'm going to add 3/4 a can of tomato sauce. Gotta have your tomato sauce when you make chili. And this just combines everything together and makes it stick like glue, which is what you want. Then you're gonna take 2 cans of beans, red kidney beans, chili beans, whatever. But I can tell y'all right now, don't put no nasty bean juice in this chili because it ain't gonna turn out. I added some red pepper flakes for the heat and some onion powder. Mix that all up. And you can see the consistency is kind of wet. But to that mixture, you are going to add some beef broth. You're going to add 4 cups. Now watch this, y'all. It's going to be watery and you're going to say, oh, it's not turning out. But it is. So all you got to do is pour your beef broth in the pot and keep stirring. Stir it up. Stir it up real good. Because after an hour, your chili is going to look like this. I cannot stress the importance, y'all, of letting your chili cook down until it's thick. It's important. But look at it, y'all. I add some cheese to mine. A little bit of sour cream, y'all. Got to make it look pretty. Then I add some green onions to it. Woo, child. It's so good. Look at how beautiful it is. And wait a minute. The cheese pull. Period. Thank you for tuning in, everybody. Enjoy.